Hello, this is Jerry Fischel, Vicious Cycles in Santa Clara, Utah for Expert Village. What I want to demonstrate now is how to adjust your cable for your clutch cable and your clutch pack inside the primary case. This is very important to adjust because when it does become out of adjustment, it'll slip. As you're driving along, you'll be increasing RPMs and you won't be going anywhere. So let's start with loosening the cable. You pull the rubber grommet off the cable. Oh God. Come on. And just like the throttle and idle cables, you want to de-adjust first, turn them all the way in so that your cable is lax. Then you come over to your derby cover, take the screws out that are holding your derby cover. There we go. You will either have an O-ring or a flat gasket that mates between your cover and your primary itself. You will have to replace this. It's recommended every time you take it off. This is your clutch pack. Here's your adjusting screw and lock nut. You'll undo the lock nut. It's an 11/16 nut. Take a Allen-headed, what the hell do you call this? Just a Allen, long ball Allen, and back out the screw until it's really loose. Then you'll take your screw and turn it in until you start to feel resistance. When you can feel gentle resistance, just gentle to the touch, you're at the end of play. You'll turn it back 1/2 of a turn. Hold it in position, don't let it go out of position. Turn in your lock nut. While holding the ball Allen in position, take your wrench, 11/16 wrench, and tighten this very tight. There is no true torque spec on this because you can't get a torque wrench on it. Just turn it in very tightly. Now your clutch pack itself has been adjusted.